And in today's class, I am going to teach you the how to construct regular hexagon without finding the interior angles. Okay. For first number, okay, question number 3, there is given one side of the hexagon 4.6 centimeter. First of all, we have to draw. Okay, we have to draw one line. Draw one line by using ruler. Okay, one line segment draw.
4.6 centimeter.
Okay, that is 4.6 centimeter. Draw 4.6 centimeter from here to here. 4.6 centimeter. Okay, little bit move this
So
side.
it is
Okay,
more there.
it is 4.6.
6.
Yeah, it is 4.6. Okay, it is 4.6. After that, now take the help of compass.
Compass.
Okay, now take the help of compass and put this.
Measuring 4.6.
Okay, here you have to take
Measure.
4.6 and okay, move it up to this one 4.6. Okay, after measuring this one, okay, now cut this arc here. Okay, like this, cut 4.61 arc. Okay, and now you have to put this here now at the end and cut this one this side. Okay, this side 4.6. Okay, understood. uh, and after that,
Yes, sir.
okay, now you have to pick up that, no, move this one, it moved there one, you caught this arc
So
one.
there is no arc.
Okay, has it caught?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now wherever they are cutting each other, no, now you have to put the compass at this one point. Okay, here wherever these two arc have caught. Okay, at this point we have to put the compass. Okay,
Center point.
yeah, that is central point one. Put their compass. Okay,
It is a
yeah, now again you have to cut the arc here this side. Okay, from this center one, and now again you have to pick up this compass and put here at this end. Okay, and cut this arc this side. Okay, where are they cutting each other? Now pick up the compass and put the compass here at this point wherever they are
Or
cutting.
once can you explain?
Okay, I will explain, don't worry. First of all, we draw this line of which length? 5.4. This line was drawn 5.4. Okay, this line was drawn 5.4 or 4.6. Can you tell? The question one, look there in book. Are you looking the book?
4.6.
2.6.
Yeah, it was a length. It was line segment of having length 4.6. Okay, then I told you to take this
Sir,
okay, compass on, look here. This one length how much long? Arc length. This arc length.
4.6.
Yeah, arc length I told you to take 4.6. Okay, and then I told you to cut this arc here from here to here up. This one. Okay, and from here and from this point also. And they cut each other wherever they cut each other from this point.
sir,
Now, yes, please. Now pick up the compass and put here wherever.
sir, without finding the
Sorry. Now
we
wherever.
can do by in this
Now look here. I am going to cut the arc from here. Again, look here, from this side we are cutting. And now pick up the compass and put at this end. At this end, okay. And cut this arc upper one, this one, okay. We cut this one. we have chord, and wherever they chord each other, this one point, wherever I am showing pencil, look here, at this point we have to put the compass again here. Put the compass at this point of intersection and chord the arc this side. Chord the arc this side. Okay, and wherever they chord each other, now again put the compass at this point. This point, okay? Understood, children? Where to put compass? Put compass at this point, wherever they are intersecting, at this point. And now from here, look here, keeping this compass here, now chord the arc this side. Okay, chord the arc this side. Wherever, these two arcs have chord, keep the compass, tip of the compass here and chord the arc this side. Now again we have to pick up the compass and put at this one, before one, central one, and chord the arc this side. Okay, here they are chording, no? And again we have to put the compass, okay, at this point. Pick up and put the compass here, okay, and chord the arc this side. Understood? Chord the arc this side. And now we have to
Sir,
pick
I
up
didn't
the,
understand.
look, again put
Sir,
the
once
compass here.
one time can you explain from
Okay,
beginning?
okay. I will show you again, don't worry. First here, again put the compass here and chord the arc this side. Okay. I am again telling, look here, put the compass here. First of all, we draw the line, this line, first one. How much long line we draw? 4.6 centimeter long line we draw.
2.6.
Yes. Then we measure this line segment, okay, by taking the help of what? This one? Compass, okay. Yes. Now we took this much long arc length, okay. We are taking this much long arc length in the compass. And now we put the compass here and chord the arc of this side. Here like this, okay. Look, now I am putting this compass and I am showing this arrow
Yes,
only.
sir.
Now, wherever I am showing pencil, you put the pen, this one, okay. Wherever I have shown this, look, tip of this pencil, put the compass here and chord arc this side arc, and put compass
Yes, sir.
here, put compass and chord arc this side. Now, again, keep the
Okay,
compass,
sir.
keep the tip of the compass here and chord arc this side, and from here, again chord this side. And now put the compass here and chord arc this side, and again put the compass at the center one, chord this side, okay. And similarly from here to here again one arc, and its length also what? Same one, that is, okay, 4.6. And now from here to here also 4.6, and from here to here also 4.6. From each 4.6 chord, now take the help of ruler and join all this outside one intersected point with the help of ruler. Take the help of ruler and put here, okay, and join this one point, join with this one, okay, and wherever they have chord, and this point also join with this, okay. I want to tell you again, look here, this one point join with this intersected one.
Sir, once again from beginning.
Look here, first of all let me join, first of all join this point with this one point, join with the help of line, straight line. This point and this point join, okay, with the help of ruler. And this point, this intersected point and this intersected point join with the help of ruler. And this intersected point and this intersected point also join with the help of ruler. And this intersected point and this intersected one arc, okay, join with the help of ruler. And now this one point also join with this one, okay. Then look here, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the one required hexagon. Okay, children. Once again I repeat, I repeat from the beginning. I told you to draw this from here to here. Draw how much long? 4.6 centimeter long. And I told you to measure this 4.6 with the help of compass. Like this measure, okay? And now from here, from this both the end of this line, cut this side one, okay, arc, and pick up this and put here, and from here also cut this side, okay, cut like this. Are you looking? Cut this arc, and wherever they cut, and put this compass here, okay, and cut this arc from here. See there, cut the arc length here, okay. From center, cut this arc, and one arc cut from this end of this line. From this one, pick up and put here, and cut this one arc here. Okay, children. Similarly, go on cutting the arc from this one wherever they have caught each other. Put the compass here and cut arc here, and put the compass here and cut this arc here, and from here to here again arc. Okay. Similarly, go on cutting the arc from the center one time and from this arc another time. Okay. And wherever cut, then join them, and you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means regular hexagon you will get. Understood, children?
So after cutting all sides, then what to do?
We have to join. We have to join this wherever they have cut. No, this point and this point join. Okay. I will show you once again. Look here, how to join them. Okay. After cutting this arc, now join this intersected one with this one. Okay. With the help of ruler. With the help of ruler, you have to join them. Wherever they have cut, this and okay, this intersected one and this intersected one point join with the help of ruler, and this intersected and this intersected point also join with the help of ruler. Okay, and this intersected one and this intersected point also join with the help of ruler, and this and this also join with the help of ruler, and this intersected, okay, point and this one also, this intersected one, okay, these two arcs have intersected, no, this point join, and you will get one required hexagon. And after that you can write here name, you can write here A, okay, and write here B, okay, write here C, and here write D, here write E, okay, and here write F. And in every line segment you can mention their length also. It was 4.6 centimeter. Okay, all 4.6. 4.6 centimeter length. All the sides will have same length because it is the regular hexagon. Can you draw the length? Can you draw this regular hexagon? Riza? Riza Thakur, can you draw this? Can you construct this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now I am moving to the next one construction. Here. Now I am moving to the question number 5.
4.
Okay. 4 number, what is there? I just told 1 number, 2 number, and 4 number are similar process. Just number of side is different, okay? Number of side is different, and we have to calculate the each interior angle there. Okay, children? Now look here. I am going to show here how to construct question number 5I. Regular pentagon inscribed in a circle of radii 3.5 centimeter. Okay, Celine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here. Question number 5I. Regular pentagon, how to draw, okay, inside the circle, inscribed in a circle. That means, okay, of 3.5 centimeter. First of all, we have to draw one line segment whose length is, how much long that is given, look there. Radius is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter from here to here, okay. 3.5 centimeter. Look here, we have to draw one line segment whose length is 3.5 centimeter long, okay. Now, after drawing this 3.5 centimeter, now take the help of compass and put compass here, okay. And I am taking the arc length also 3.5 centimeter, okay. And this is the radius one, okay. This is the radius, and this length is what, a 3.5 centimeter. Okay, draw like this, 3.5 centimeter. And after that, now we can construct one circle here. Like this circle we have to construct. Construct the circle. Okay, children? And after constructing this circle, you can make that, this radius you can make, till here, then it will be the
60
one.
degree and 120 degree.
Now listen here. First of all, we have to put here one ruler and make this, radius extend and up to another end, this one. Then you will have the diameter here, okay? This is the diameter now. This is the diameter. Understood how to draw this one first? How to draw this circle one? You understood or not? Okay. After,
Yes, sir.
yeah. After drawing this 3.5 centimeter long radius, and I constructed the radius, this one what? Circle, by taking this 3.5 centimeter arc, okay. Then after I extended this center to the other end, it became the what? Total diameter, okay. Now after this, okay, pick up, you can pick, okay, pick up the what? Compass, and put this tip of the compass in another end of the one end of the diameter, okay. And look here, what I want to tell you, take this arc length now more than half. Take more than half. Take more than half. Take the arc length more than half and cut it up, okay. Cut up and cut down. From this one, up and down cut. And now pick up this compass and put it another end, okay, and cut down and cut up, okay, like this cut, and join this wherever they are cutting,
Sir, one time again.
okay. Okay. Now see here, first of all I told how to construct this circle, okay, by taking the radius 3.5 centimeter. You understood that, eh? After that I told you to put the compass at the one end of the diameter and take more than half. Take this arc what? More than half. Take more than half this arc. Take this more than half. Take this arc more than half. And cut down one arc. Okay. Cut down one arc and cut up also one arc. One arc should be cut up also, down also one. Okay, children? Okay. And after that, look there. Now you have to cut arc up and down, I just told. You have to cut the arc up also, down also, okay? This one arc. Okay, up also. Now pick up this one, okay? Compass and put it in another end, here. Now cut from here, up also, down also here. Cut up also and down also. Down also cut. Down also cut, up also cut. Okay, wherever they cut each other, that, these two cutting points should be joined with the help of ruler. Join them with the help of ruler. Put ruler and join them. Okay, children? Like this, put the ruler vertical one, like this straight one, and join them. Like this, put ruler straight, wherever they have cut, like this straight and join. Of course, it will pass from the origin. When you join it, and it will pass from the origin. Okay? Like this, join. Now take the help of pencil and join it. Join it up to the, like this one, join. Can you join like this? Hello children, can you join like this? Nimesh? Can you join like this or not? And after joining this one, now put the ruler in one side, okay? Now again take the help of compass, okay? Take the help of compass. And we have to bisect. Suppose this is 0 and this is diameter, suppose A, okay? And this another end is B, okay? Now we have to bisect this radius from O to B. To bisect it, we have to put here. Compass put here, and we have to take this arc more than half arc take, and cut up, like this up cut, and cut down also this side. Down also cut up also, down also, okay? We are bisecting the side OB. We are bisecting this. Now put the compass here and cut this arc one. Which one we had cut just now? Arc. That one arc cut. Okay. Cut down also, up also cut. Okay. Wherever they are cutting each other, look here. Up also, look here. It is cutting here. Like this. Wherever they have cut each other, and join this cutting point with the help of ruler. Join them. Put ruler here.
Ruler.
Okay. And we can join this one, okay? This point and
Sir, one time again.
This point join. We have to take the arc, look at this one, okay? This one from this one, okay? Taking the arc more than half of OB, cut the arc up also, down also, and now put the compass here at B and cutting this side down also, up also, and wherever they cut each other, that they should be joined with the help of ruler and pencil. Join them, okay? Now see here, after joining them, look carefully. We have to put this compass here wherever they have cut each other. Look here, put the compass here.
Sir, again once.
Look here now, where I keep the compass. Put the compass there and put the this pencil tip up to the air. See here, eh? Here one. Understood? Wherever they have caught each other, this tip of the compass put here where they caught, and move the pencil tip up to this one where this perpendicular bisector has told this circle. Okay? Told there, and cut this arc. Here cut, and you can cut this arc till down here. Down. Okay? Here also cut. And after that, now you have to pick up the compass pick up and put a wherever they have cut each other here. Okay? And this arc we have to measure now with the help of compass, like this. Look here, eh? Measure this arc length. Wherever they have cut each other, this point and this point arc length measure with the help of compass. Put.
So I didn't understand.
Look here, once I want to repeat again. Look here, I will
Or
repeat,
can
don't
you
worry.
explain
Look here,
deeply?
I just told, put the compass tip here. Here you have to put the compass tip where? Here. And I told you to measure up to here and cut this side also. Okay?
Now we can see your screen.
Yeah, I shared just now, okay? Okay, now I told you to measure from this one. We bisected it. Look, again I want to tell you, we took the more than half of it. More than half of it, look here. We took more than half of it here, more than half of it.
So your sound is lagging.
Okay, look here once. You look the activities also. Take more than half and cut up. Okay. Cut this arc up and cut this arc down also. Now pick up the compass and put here and cut this arc down. Okay, cut this arc down and cut this arc up also. And join this cutting arc with the help of ruler. And this point and I just told this point and this point should be joined. This point and this point joined with the help of ruler. Okay, this point joined. Then I told you to keep the compass here at this point, and I told you to move this pencil tip